So in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to open an Uber account in France. First, visit the Uber website or download the Uber app from the App Store or Google Play. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button and click on it. Next, you have to enter your personal information, which includes your name, email address, and phone number. Then after that, you'll need to create a strong password to secure your account. Then, once you've created your password, check your email for a verification link from Uber. Click on that link to verify your email address. Now that your email is verified, you can set up your payment method. You can either add a credit or a debit card to easily pay for the rides or services. Lastly, fill out any additional information required, such as your location, preferred payment, to help customize your experience on the app. And that's it. You now have your Uber account set up in France.